Instagram has introduced a great new feature called Repost, where you can repost your favorite content from another Instagram user. No longer do you have to do a screenshot or save an image from someone else's account and then repost it manually. You can now do it all in the app, which is fantastic. It's really simple as well, and it gives you that ability to be able to give some kudos, to promote somebody else's account who you think has produced some really good work or gone out of their way, made a special effort to to add some really, really amazing content, and you want to recognize that content and repost it and give those people that extra bit of kudos, which I think is a fabulous little thing that we can do. And it's really, really simple. So all you have to do is find a reel or a post that you want to repost. At the bottom of that reel or that post, there's some icons. Obviously, there's between the comment icon and the share icon, you've got two little arrows, and all you have to do is click on those two little arrows to repost and then save that post, and that's it. It's reposted to your account. And then you can look at that post. If you go into your account, look at your posts and reels, etc. In there, you can look at your posts, you can look at your reels, and the third option enables you to look at your reposts. And you can click on that and you can see on the right hand side that it's been reposted, and it also shows up the account that you've reposted it to or from at the bottom. You can click on there as well and you can go to that account directly. I think it's a really, really great little feature that Instagram have added and long overdue. I hope you enjoy that repost feature, and I hope you make good use of it. Thanks a lot for watching. Give this video a like. That'd be amazing if you do, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheerio.